Hey y'all, it's me again. I'm back for the millionth time today, but I don't know what this is doing. Trying to get it to focus. All right, so I'm coming in here because I kind of jumped on the floral arrangement train, which y'all know that I like flowers, but I let them sit a little too long, so I was able to save some of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this floral arrangement together so I can just have it together. So anyway, I bought these all from Trader Joe's, and y'all will see it in this vlog when I actually went and picked some flowers out for Darian's graduation as well. I made her a money bouquet for her graduation, but these are my favorite flower, which are stargazer lilies. This one right here is looking a little janky, so I might have to take it off, but other than that, they look good. So this is what they look like. They are so pretty. And then these are mini carnations, and I went with these because they actually are the same color as the stargazers. So this is what the carnations is looking like. And then I got some hydrangeas too, but they didn't last at all. I got one palm of hydrangeas, so we gonna just make it do what it does. So I'm just gonna take the let me put y'all down. All right, so I'm just gonna take the plant food and put it in her. Pour water in the cup and add flower food to it. Stir it up. Then I'm going to take it and pour it in this glass cylinder flower vase that I got. And okay, there it goes. Okay, y'all, so now y'all can see better. So this is the glass cylinder that I got that from the Dollar Tree, but I'm just doing some experimenting. I have not always been the person with a green thumb, but I do want to try some plants out. My husband keep telling me no because I let these flowers sit way too long, so we shall see. But anyway, I put it down in there. I think it's too tall, so I'm just gonna clip the stem a little bit and then see where it lands it at. So this is what it's looking like so far. Look at those, they are so pretty. And then I'm just gonna take the carnations and just, I guess, just stick them around in there. And then that hydrangea, I don't know where I'm gonna put that at, but we'll see. See. Just separating them a little bit, so because some of them are still they haven't bloomed all the way, so they still have some bulbs on them. So I'm trying to just spread them out a little bit where they'll have room. See, like that one, they can bloom. I ain't even have to do too much to these, but just kind of spread them out. Alright, so that is that. I think that, I don't know if I should put some more in here. I just let it be. Just 2 more stems, so I'll just try it and see. But it's kind of it looks good, but I just don't want it to be overcrowded where the lilies are not going to open up more. Alright, so this is what we have. I think it looks pretty. And this one right here at the top still hasn't opened up all the way, but I'm gonna put it in another area, and then it'll probably bloom like it's supposed to. But yeah, so this is it. This one is kind of standing taller than the rest of them. I'm not even gonna fool with the hydrangea because I think it's already a little too stuffy in her. But this is how it came out, and I think it came out pretty. Real simple. I just did the same type of color, and they are looking like they're pink and like a plum color, or yeah, a plum, or maybe almost a burgundy. But I think it came out pretty. And yeah, so I finally got it put together, and just getting a couple thumbnails. Alright, y'all, so that's all I have for right now. I just wanted to put y'all in and do this floral arrangement with y'all. I do have the hydrangea left. I don't want to put it in there because I think it's gonna look crazy, so I'll probably just, I got another small little vase, I'll probably just put that in just to save it because it's still good. And yeah, so if you made it this far in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's your girl Katina Gooch, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye. I pretend it was you.